I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the can has pressure and the actuator is the problem. Shake it, listen for sloshing, then remove the cap and inspect the nozzle closely. Once done, press the stem briefly into a rag to see if any material moves. This distinguishes a clogged nozzle from an empty can. If you feel resistance or only a weak sputter, proceed to clear the tip. Don't waste time, test first so you know which fix to use next. You'll now remove the nozzle and clean it thoroughly to restore flow. First, soak the plastic tip in warm soapy water or the can's recommended solvent for 5 to 10 minutes to dissolve solids. Then, using a thin needle or pin, gently clear the nozzle hole. Push only from the front to avoid driving debris inward. Once done, blow through the nozzle or reattach and invert the can, pressing briefly to purge loosened material. You finish by reassembling and testing the can to confirm success. Make sure the actuator sits straight on the valve stem and press firmly. If spray is uneven, try a replacement cap. If the product is thick like paint, follow label thinning instructions, and if low pressure is suspected, gently warm the can with your hands or to about 40 degrees Celsius. Make sure you don't overheat. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: try a new nozzle or assume a defective valve and replace the can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.